Let me take 60 seconds or a bit more to show you the keyword clustering tool of thruuu. So here what you can see is the result of a clustering process with thruuu. Initially, you should upload a list of keywords and then thruuu will group them together by SERP similarity. At the top, you will get some statistics to understand your domain, its visibility within the cluster or within the keywords that you uploaded. Also here you can see the number of keywords that was in my list and the number of clusters that has been created. But what is really important is to see the clusters, the keyword cluster, and they are here just below. So here what you can see here is a keyword cluster. So all these keywords display more or less the same SERP. That's why they are grouped together. By default, when 4 URLs or more are in common on the top 10 of the SERP, then the keywords are put together, okay? So it's really important to understand that, and then thruuu will highlight basically the topic that you should focus on, and create new article. What you can do as well, you can play with some filters to check where you are ranking, where you are not ranking. You can also check here some advanced filter for the ranking position of your article. Also, you can filter by volume, by page rank, which is basically the domain authority, by size of the cluster, and so on. And the goal will be to select your favorite cluster and start building your content strategy. What is really great with thruuu is that it goes beyond other keyword clustering tools, because you can also analyze the content of one single cluster, because it's nice to know about what you want to speak. Let's say I want to speak about best A/B testing platform for SaaS. Great, but then what should I do? So thruuu lets you analyze the content of the cluster. thruuu is analyzing all the website ranking for these different keywords and providing you a detailed cluster analysis. I won't go into detail of this report. It's very similar to the SERP analysis, so you can click on this video and you will see how to perform a SERP analysis. But use this report to really understand about what your competitors are speaking and how to structure your content. Then you have other reports, the hub reports that will basically create a hub and spoke view. So it will group clusters together that are similar, let's say. So here you can see a group of clusters about marketing analytics tool guide, here about 2025 marketing trend, here about customer journey mappings, here about marketing software comparison. So here it can also guide you in how to structure your website's categorization, how you want to organize your content with pillar pages and cluster pages. You also have another report that show all the competitors for this set of keywords. So here you can see which competitor has the highest topical authority. This report pages is quite interesting because it shows you your pages and for what cluster they are ranking. So here you can also understand, for instance, this page, how you should optimize it. Maybe you can optimize it for Google A/B testing tool, but for best A/B testing platform for SaaS, maybe here you will need to create a new article. So here you can use this view really to understand how to optimize existing content. Also, when you create a brief directly from this view here, you can create a brief, or you can also audit an URL. So from here, creating a brief or auditing an URL, all your briefs and audit will be available here. You can as well download, obviously, all these reports into an Excel file. So I was quite fast. I just wanted to show you quickly in a few minutes the main features of the keyword clustering tool of thruuu. I invite you to watch the next video where I will show you a deep dive into the tool.